how I made a shoe entirely out of chocolate. Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how I made a shoe entirely out of chocolate. Okay, let's get started. To temper your chocolate, you need to heat it to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius and then cool it down to around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. Slowly pour your chocolate into your shoe mould. Tapping your shoe onto your worktop ensures that you get rid of any air bubbles. Poke a kebab stick or any long stick into the heel, and this also makes sure that there are no air bubbles trapped inside. Also give it a good firm knock onto your surface. Move your shoe around, give it a shake, and just make sure that it gets into all of the creases of your shoe. Right now I'm aiming to cover the entire shoe with chocolate, making sure there's no gaps. A good vigorous shake is what we need to ensure even distribution of chocolate. The entire shoe needs to be completely covered with the chocolate to ensure a smooth finish. You can wipe off any excess chocolate using a paper towel. Once you're happy that the entire shoe is covered with chocolate, you can go ahead and pour off any excess chocolate. Place your shoe into a food bag or any plastic bag will do. Doing this protects your chocolate from forming sugar bloom. Once you've wrapped it tightly, place it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Repeat this process around 3 to 4 times, making sure you leave around 50 minutes in between for the shoe to set firmly. If you find that your chocolate is starting to firm up a little, you can place it in the microwave for around 5 seconds. After each coating, do make sure that you give the shoe a good shake, a good tap, just because we don't want any air bubbles, and we want just to make sure that the chocolate is being distributed evenly around the shoe. Coating of chocolate on my shoe, and again I'm wrapping it in the plastic bag just to protect the chocolate. This time it's going to be left in the fridge for 5 hours just to make sure that it sets really firm. Okay, so I've just taken a shoe out of the fridge. It's been in there for 5 hours. So I'm using a knife just to tease open the mould. So now it's easier for me to pull the mould apart, doing one side at a time. And then the other side, and there's your finished shoe. So I've got some gold luster spray, and that's what I'm using to spray the inner part of the shoe. So now I'm painting the outside of the shoe with some edible glue, as I'm going to decorate it with some gold glitter. Now I'm shaking the glitter over the parts of the shoe where I've applied the edible glue. Repeat this process until the entire shoe is covered.